responded. She's everything I never knew I wanted, and money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glam.